Drones have become more common and regulated in the USA. Flying drones requires following specific rules set by the FAA. Drone pilots must be at least 16 years old for commercial flights. Every drone weighing more than 0.55 pounds needs FAA registration. Drones must fly under 400 feet and within the line of sight. Operators must avoid flying near airports or emergency response efforts. Recreational flyers need to adhere to safety guidelines and local regulations. Commercial drone operators require Part 107 certification from the FAA. Operators must always yield right of way to manned aircraft. Drones cannot fly over groups of people or moving vehicles. Night flying is allowed if the drone has proper anti-collision lighting. Privacy rights must be respected when capturing videos or photos. Check local laws as rules may vary by city or state. Restricted areas or no-fly zones must be strictly observed. Keeping informed on current regulations helps ensure safe flying. Join community groups to learn and share knowledge about flying responsibly.